Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're going to talk about Google Slides that you can use to make your presentations. So guys, this is better than PowerPoint and Keynote. It is totally free. You just have to use your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can create a new one and it is also free. Simply go here into the sign in option. Just sign in with your account. If you don't have account, simply go here and create your account. It will just take like 30 to 40 seconds. You have to just put your information over here. So guys, I will sign in with my account. Okay, so guys, after signing in with a Gmail account, you have to go to Google and then just put here Google Slides. Okay, and then the very first link over here, just click on this. Okay guys, and then you see an option over here about personal. You can see this personal, and then just go here, go to Google Slide, just click over here, and on the down right corner you see there is a plus sign. Okay, so there are two options: create new presentation and template. Choose template. So I will show which templates are available. So guys, these templates are available. It's categorized according to personal, work, or by education. So these all professional templates that you guys can use, but I will start with the blank. So guys, welcome to Google Slides. Here you can do all your work. So you can see here, first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into the file and you have to select the page setup. So this is really important guys. So the professional one is widescreen 16 by 9, which is work really good with your projectors and your monitors. The second thing which is really important, you have to give your presentation a name. So you have to click here and then you can give it any name. For example, I'm giving it now a name of a Google Slides tutorial. Okay, the other thing is you can click here and then you can start writing the name of your topic or whatever you want to write here. You can write here. For example, I'm writing here start topic. Right. Okay, the other thing is, if you want to change the font, if you want to change the size, you have to just highlight it and there are all the tools available. Okay, so you can see here you can change the font style. Okay, and then if you want to change the size, you can also change the size. You can change the alignment, you can fill the color. So all the tools are available over here. The other thing is, if you want to change the background, you can easily do it. Okay, simply what you have to do, you have to select this background icon over here, and then you see here the first option is about color. So you can change the whole color of the background. So you can see there are different colors options, so you can select any color. The other option which is really cool is image. You can insert any image for the background. It's upload option, camera option, URL, or Google image search. Okay, so I will go with the Google image search option. So you select it and then you can type anything, you can search anything on the Google. Okay, for example, I write here background, and then you can see there are a lot of backgrounds that you can directly use. So simply I select a random background. For example, I select this background, I select it, and then I click on the insert option, I press done, and then you can see over here the background has been selected. All your slides are in this area on the left side. I will add the slides later, and I will also show you how you can add the slides. The other thing that is really important, if you want to change the layout, so simply you have to go over here and then you can see there are a lot of layout option. The most professional or famous are title slide, title and body, title and two columns, and the main point. So you can use any of these layouts for your work. Okay, the other thing is adding a new slide. Simply right click over here and then you can add new slide. You see this new slide option, and then you can see here, and for this one I will change the layout to blank. So blank is here on the last option, and then you can see I change it to blank. Now if you want to add any image, you can also add the image. Simply you go over here, insert image option, and then you have multiple option. You can upload from computer, from photo, by camera, or you can use the web. So select the search web option, you can see, and then on the right hand side the Google will open, and then here you can write any image search option. So for example, I write here heart anatomy, and then you can see there are different images in front of you. Simply if you want to bring it to your slide, you can grab it and then you can drag to your slides like I'm doing now. Okay, and then you can leave anywhere on your slide. Okay, and then you have the ability to resize the image, to edit your image. You can also mask your image, you can also rotate image. You also have the rotate image option. So for example, I select this image as well. There is an insert option here on the down, and then you can insert this. Okay, and you can also resize it, and then you can also rotate it. For example, if you want to rotate, there is one small dot on the top, and then by dragging it you can rotate the image. Okay, and if you want to mask the image, you can also mask the image. You see there is a crop option. Okay, you just have to select the crop option. I will show you. So this is the crop option, so just select it, and then you can select any mask over here. So for example, if you want to mask it in any shape, for example in the call outs, so for example like this one. Okay, you can do it, and then if you want, you can change the outline color as well, border color. Just select it, so you can see over here it will be like that. So you can do a lot of things with the images as well. If you want to add the text box, you can also select this text box option, and then you can write anything here, and then you can use all the tools for changing the font or changing the size or changing the style. So all things you can do over here. Okay guys, and the other option that I will show you now is, first of all, I will add a new slide, and here is the new slide option. And then for example, if you want to insert the audio file, you can also insert the audio file. So whatever audio file is in your drive, you are only able to insert those audio file, and then by bring your mouse on top of it, you have the ability to play your audio file. And then if you want to undo, these are undo options over here. You can also undo your work, and you can also insert the different shapes. So there are different shapes option. So for example, I select this round rectangle, so you can see it over. I can draw it like this, and then if you want to draw same like this one, you can copy it and then you can paste it with the same size. Okay, you can paste it multiple times. Okay, and then you can bring it anywhere on your slide. Okay, the other important thing that I want to show you is you can also create mind map. It is really a cool feature that Google Slides is giving you. Simply you see there is a line option over here. Just select it, so you can select their different options. So I select the curved connector. Simply you have to connect it with the points. Okay, so you can see there are different points, you can connect it. Okay, so I will connect all of them, okay, with the curved connector. I will connect them, all of these round rectangles I will connect. So you can see over here, you can draw it like that. You just have to connect it with the points. You see this purple color points, you have to connect it like this. Okay, now if you want to move any of these rectangle, you will see the lines will move accordingly. I will show you. So you can see over here the lines are moving accordingly. So it's really cool feature for creating mind maps, and it makes your work really easy and really professional. Okay, and if you want to write inside them, you can also write it. You can see over here, you can also write here, and then you can also change the color, the font size, all tools you can use. Okay, and now I will create one more slide, and I will show you how to how to insert the table. If you want to insert tables, you can insert from here, from the insert option. So you can see over here, so it's really easy, and then you can also write in these tables if you want to write. Okay, so I will create one more slide and I will show you how to create the pie chart. So new slide, and then I will insert option, I will go there, and then you can see chart option. So there are different options. I select the pie chart option. Okay, and then for example, if you want to edit the values over here, simply go select this arrow. I will show you this small arrow, just select it and then click on the open source. So once you click the open source, it will open the table for you, and here you can edit all the values. You can also change the titles. So for example, I put here T1, T2, T3 and T4. So you can give it any name. Okay, and then in front of them you can put any value, and the pie chart will be created according to those values. So I will put random numbers here, so you can see. And then what you have to do after finishing this, you have to close it down. Okay, just simply close it, and then in your slide just use this update option, and this will update accordingly, guys. So this is really cool feature you can see over here. So guys, if you want to present it, simply just select the first slide, and then you see on the right side there is a present option. So just select this present option, use the space bar option to move to the next slide, or you can press the forward and backward button as well to move forward and move backward in the slide. So it's really cool. And the other feature is, if you want to add the transitions, you can also add the transitions. So for example, just select this slide, go here on these three dots, and then you can see transition option, and then you can select any transition option. On the right hand side you can see dissolve, fade. There are a lot of options that you can use for the transition, and then apply it to all slide. And then you see here I selected, you can see here it is now in the transition mode, you can see. And then you can move it, you can also play it to check if it is working okay or not, and you can change it as well. So now guys, I will show you how you can share it, which is really important. You see this yellow color icon, just select it, and then you can see there are option. You can put email IDs over here, or downside you can see the get link option. The link is copied. Okay, so now you see over here the link is here. You can see on the down, you can share it with anyone, you can copy it. And then the most important thing is you have to select which option you want. For example, you want viewer, commenter or editor. So if you are a teacher and don't want your student to edit your slides, so simply just select this viewer option, so they can just only view. Okay, they cannot edit. But if you want to give them editing option, you can also select the editor option, which is really amazing. And here, if you want to send it by email, you can also send it by email. And then if you want to publish it to the web, go to the file, and then you see this publish the web option, and then you see link and embedded option. So you can just select this publish, and then it will give you the URL. You can see here, you can copy it, and then you can embed it in your web. And then if you want the link is over here. So you can also copy it and you can share it through Gmail, Facebook or Twitter. The last option is if you want to download it as a PowerPoint, PDF, plain JPEG. So there are all the options over here, so you can use any of these options. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.